Hello everyone and welcome to benzblog. For today we're going to talk about the exhaust temperature sensor. So now I will show you the sensors that we are using here in this company. So they're using the PMD 1XT thus XX thus 024 thus E. So this is the digital pyrometer. So it's in the screen, so I will show you that after my introduction. So by the way, uh, thank you once again to the people who are always subscribing, to the people who are not yet subscribed, just subscribe, so we will enjoy talking a lot for troubleshooting and new options that we are going to talk about it. So those who are new here in my channel, just stay tuned and just comment down below if you have some questions so we can talk about it. So let's go back to our topic. So now I will show you in the screen record so we can also see for our manual. So okay, now in the screen, so you can see here the sensors that we are using. This is the instructions manual. So as you can see here, we have the PMD 1XT thus XX thus 024. This is the voltage, the 24 volts thus A. So this is the digital pyrometer. So what do you mean by pyrometer? This is the device which is used for the measuring of the high temperature. So this is also focused for the temperature reading. So the basic is manual for this one. This is designated for this supply for 16 to 30 BDC. So you have the options for that one. In depends on your order. So you can check the label for your information there. So exactly in the module itself or in the device itself. So I will show you outside that one the actual structure. This is the small device which is only focused on our exhaust temperature. This is we using here. So here we have the power consumption is 2 watts, and this is this you can see and you can read it, the manual instructions. So now we have here the G1 indicator. So this is your indicator here. So you can see we have, if we zoom in, so okay, so you have the up press key. So this is your up press. So and here is the shift key, is number 3. So this is your shift key, and your set key is for here, this one. So this is number 4, and the minimum and the maximum value is this is indicator for your alarms, and here is your alarms, and this is your indicator that it is already reached to the maximum value, so it will give you an alarm for that one. So I will show you also where we can connect for your switch, so you can give to the module, either you can shut down or give pop-up warning that there is already such an alarms on your module, so the temperature is higher already. So next, move on. So so the display window is number 6. So this is your display. So this is like a small screen. This is the digital one here. Okay, so we did just talk the important things here. So here you can see the parameter setting. This is the basic parameter, so the program flow charts. So if you need to do the configurations for the basic parameter, so the password for that one is just preset. So as you can see here, set, and then you can enter the value for 0089. So once you enter the password, so this is the simple you will encounter to the module. Okay, so excuse me. Now in here, so if you see, this is only the symbol. So this is what you can see exactly to the display window. So this is the INTY, DOT, PUL, PUH, and PSB, PSBF, and CORF, and VAILT, and this is the end. So here is the descriptions for that. For the entry, this is the input type. So here the DOT is the decimal point. So this is the ranges you can adjust for that, and the PUL is the scale low, and the PUH is the scale high. So this is the ranges, so you can adjust it from here. And PSB is the zero offset. So I don't want to explain that all to you because our time is only limited for that. So here's the important. So if you don't want the Fahrenheit, so you can directly go to CORF, so that this is the temperature unit, which you can change it, the initial settings from F to C. So if this one is C, so it will change it to degree Celsius reading. Okay, so after that, if you already set all your parameters, you can scroll it to the end point. So you can see end, then press set, so it will go back to the original menu. So now here down, so if you need the other calibrations for, so here is the things you have to do. This is only the value for your internal set points for this module. So this is TC type, this is temperature heat. So this is the temperature sensors, you can use it. Okay, so here is our important things to discuss is our alarm parameter sets. So you just press the set, so you can input the code for 0001, so you can enter your alarms parameters. So in EH1, so this is the G1, this is the pull-in value. So here you have the range for 1099 and blah, blah, 9999. So this is the initial input, which is already saved in your module. So this one, if you go from here, so you can adjust the initial value for this one. So this is 900. So since for my configurations, I use the degree Celsius, so we can adjust this one because this is the all about for the temperature. Okay, so in the EL1, so this is the dropout voltage. No, that is the dropout value, so you can adjust it from here also. So the set points that I configured there, I will show you. So I put it here as 500 to 800 degrees Celsius. So meaning if reaching to this value, it will give you some alarms, like if you are connected to your digital input, so it will pop up that it is already exhaust temperature high, or it will also shut down your generator. So excuse me. So in here, this is only the analog, you can use it also. So this is the set points, set, and the password is 036 enter. So I'm not using this one, so I will not explain it to you. So here is the terminal for your module. So let's see, this is the module. So this is the device at the back. Okay, so here is your supply, which is designated for your 24 volts, and of course, so since this one is 24 volts, so there's no problem for your 24 volt supply either, because this is maximum voltage for 30, so there is no problem if there is some voltage higher than 24. So here is your thermocouple, or what we call your sensor for your exhausts. So here is the connections here. Make sure that the polarity, because if you make the interchange connections, the readings also is instead of going up, if the temperature is going up, it will going down. So make sure the connection is correct. Okay, so so this is your drawing. So this one here is already mentioned what is the values for this one, what is the usage. So what I want to explain here is what connections are. So here is your digital input, you can connect, or your buzzer also you can connect. So this is negative output. So this is if there is some alarm, or if there is some failure or something wrong that you can receive from your thermocouple, or depends on your set points. So in here it will give you some alarm or buzzer. So here is the drawing. This is the thermocouple. So you just need the positive supply, because this one is the output is negative already. Okay. So here is the set point for your peak value. So this one is already just on and off if you want to active or not. So just sit and put the password for 0037. So this is will show, if you scroll down or scroll up, it will show the MA, or the maximum value, and the time maximum. So just if you want to active or not active, just on or off. So that is only the functions for that. So once you're done, just go to the end, so it will automatically save. So that's it for this one here. So let's go outside so I can show you what is the real view, or the real module you can see outside, and how we are going to connect this one to the engine and to the module also. So okay, so let's go. Okay, so we are here to our generator. So as you can see in my back, where is this device were installed to the panel. So this is a very small, even in the video you can not see properly. So I will focus this to you so you can see also how we can do our setting or our configurations for this. So I will show you at this point actually. So for example, I will make it near so you can see also. So I think I will do it like this, so it will yeah, prepare to we can see it properly. So okay, let's start. So if you want to change the parameters, just press this one, set. As you can see, there is 4 zeros from here. Okay, just scroll down. So this is the basic parameters we're going to change. So that is the password is 0089. Okay, so I will try to put 8, and then you scroll, you put it here, is number 9. So we're going to talk about here the important things we're going to set from this device, so you can see also how we're going to make it. So just preset again. So now you can see there is a changes in your screen. So for the first one, you can see the entry. So just scroll one to the settings that you need to change. Okay, so we need to change the Fahrenheit to the degree Celsius. You just scroll it down. So this is the CURF. So you just preset sit. So see, as you can see F, because the original configurations is from the Fahrenheit. So we just change this one to degree Celsius. Okay, so this is already C. So we're going to set. So meaning that is already safe, and just scroll it to the end. Okay, and then press again the set. So you are in the original view or menu. So now we're going to set the alarms for this one. So this is measured for the temperature. So we have the parameters not exceed to 800 degrees Celsius, and the lower temperature is about below like 500. So we're going to set that one. So that is 001, correct? Oops, I'm wrong. Just scroll it. So okay, set. So as you can see here, the EH1. So this is your high. So just put it H. So as you can see, I already set the 800 degrees Celsius. So I don't want to change it now because I already set for that one. I just want to show you. So we're going to scroll it to the next one. So you should see here the EL2. So we just set. So I will put it 500. So this is 500 degree. So this is the lower. Okay, so now just scroll to the end. Okay, scroll to the end, or you. Okay, so if you end, so meaning you are already done. So this is the 35 degrees Celsius for now. So I will show you where we connect the thermocouple, or this is the sensor for this one. So as you can see, it is here in our exhaust temperature. So this is not yet painted. So this is just temporary for the testing preparations. So you just put it here. So this is the thermocouple. So this is the one who will measure the temperature of your exhausts. Okay, so it is connected down here to our panel. So if you open it, you can see inside what is the connections. So I will show you also what is the connections for this. So here I will make it sure that you can see also. So I will just lower down this camera. So okay, so this is the model for this. If you can see, cannot focus exactly because of the wire, I think. Yeah, so I cannot see clearly. So that is PMD1XT. This is RD 0-24A. Okay, so here is our connections for your thermocouple, which is we just only joined from here, from the terminal block, because we have the designated terminal connections for that going to your module. So this is the cable exactly from here. So it is connected to the number of 08 and yes, and 18, I think. Yeah, so here is the connections for that. So I will show you the 18 and the 08. Okay, So that is the numbering, our standard numbering for this. And here is our supply. If you can see down, so this is the supply. So we have the 7 which is our positive, and 5 is the negative connection. So if you want to connect this one to the module, if there is in case that alarms and you need also to it will pop up to your module, so this is here. This is designated for your connection. So I will focus that. So you can see also the designated number for that. So as you can see, I'll just a little bit higher. So okay, I think, I hope you can see it. So this is a number 5. That is number 5. So that is switch. So this is your dry contact for this, and this is the output is negative. So now, so since this one is negative, so you can use directly wired directly to your digital input. So here you can connect and reconfigure for that one as your high exhaust temp. So you can edit that one if you want in the digital input. Okay, so I think we are done explaining for this. So this is very simple connection only. You have only like 1 2 3 4 5 connections for that, for the wiring. So okay, that's how simple the wiring and the connections for that, and how you can do the configurations, what is the password. So you can again look to the video, or you can search, or either I can put the link for that manual for you, so it's easy for you to check if there is some things you need to understand more for that. Excuse me. So just comment down below if you have some trouble doing the configuration for this, so we can I can explain, or I can give you some informations that needed for this kind of module. So once again, benzblog is here. Thank you for watching. I'm happy for that. See you again in my next vlog. Bye bye.